Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make omega-3 powder at home step by step. Start by choosing a stable oil source and work in a cool, clean area to avoid oxidation. Prepare your emulsifier and drying method before mixing. Keep glass containers chilled and labeled. Take safety steps when handling oils and heat. Measure ingredients accurately to maintain potency and flavor. Stay patient through slow drying for best texture and shelf life. Begin by measuring oil, water, and emulsifier for a stable emulsion. Use a stick or countertop blender on low speed until fully homogenized and glossy. Work chilled and add antioxidants like vitamin E if desired. Check viscosity. It should coat a spoon without separating. If separation appears, reblend and gradually add emulsifier. Maintain temperatures below warm to protect EPA and DHA from degradation during this stage. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future how-to guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet like your supplements and choose quality socks that last. I love Darn Tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty. They outlast flimsy pairs and keep you cozy during long kitchen sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Drying is the key to stable omega-3 powder, so use a freeze dryer for best results or low heat with desiccant as a backup. Spread the emulsion in thin layers to speed up evaporation and check frequently to avoid browning. Once dried, break the product into a fine powder and sieve to an even texture. Immediately package in airtight, light-proof jars with oxygen absorbers for longest shelf life and potency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.